Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're in YouTube Studio now. Go straight to Content and open Videos. Once you see your list, find the specific upload by title, filter, or search bar so you don't edit the wrong file. Click the video row or the pencil icon to open Details. Make sure you're on the Details tab. This is where category lives and where you'll make the change. If you plan multiple edits, consider working on one or batching similar videos to save time. Once in Details, scroll to the Audience and then More Options section. This expands advanced fields. Under More Options, locate the category dropdown. It's often below Tags and Language. Click the dropdown and choose the category that best matches your content because correct categorization improves discovery and adds suitability. After selecting, review other fields like tags and description since category selection interacts with them. If you're changing multiple videos, use the checkbox list to edit in bulk from the main videos view. You must click Save to apply the new category. The interface will show a short confirmation that the video updated. Once saved, refresh the video's page or reopen Details to verify the category displays correctly. If the change didn't stick, reopen More Options and set it again, then save. Sometimes browser extensions or connectivity issues block updates. For multiple wrong entries, use the bulk edit feature from the videos list to set category across selected videos and save once to apply to all.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.